So for Glen Cove Schools, PSEG Long Island provided rebates for all the equipment, or the majority of the equipment that they installed. So PSEG Long Island, first of all, we want to help our customers. We want to help our customers save money. We're part of the community. We want our customers to benefit.
With the Glen Cove City School District, we completed a energy performance contract, meaning that there was no additional burden to the taxpayers. But in order to do that, we use the energy savings from all of these measures to pay for the project. And in order to do that, in order to add additional value, we use the PSEG Long Island incentive programs for each of the measures that we instituted. So throughout the district, we implemented many measures. Interior lighting, we converted all of the lights to LED, either fixture replacement or in some places where there are architecturally fascinating fixtures, we kept the fixtures but replaced the bulbs with LED bulbs. Exterior lighting, all of the hot water pumps we put VFDs on where it made financial sense, and we were able to use the PSEG Long Island incentives to help keep that payback attractive. One of the biggest parts of this project was a 600 kilowatt solar array that we put on the district's rooftops, and that offset a lot of greenhouse gas emissions just from being able to have the district produce their own electricity that's directly feeding the school.
Well, I would highly recommend to look into the energy performance contracts, especially for the districts that are struggling with the other options, because this is definitely an alternative to address the capital improvement projects. The contractors that we worked with, great. We went through the scope of work and considered all other options, and we went through this to see what makes more sense to generate more savings. So it's definitely the great source to address the capital improvement project.